Plant FAQs. Tradescantia bracteata. Tradescantia bracteata, the charming prairie spiderwort. Hi, Ferbu here. Today, we're diving into the world of a delightful wildflower, the Tradescantia bracteata, also known as the prairie spiderwort. This little gem is a favorite among gardeners for its vibrant blooms and easygoing nature. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or just starting your gardening journey, the prairie spiderwort has something to offer. Let's explore everything you need to know about this charming wildflower. See more 86 species in genus Tradescantia at monsteraholic.com. The Tradescantia bracteata is a perennial flowering plant native to the central United States. It thrives in the open prairies and meadows, adding pops of color to the landscape. This little powerhouse grows up to 18 inches tall, forming a low-growing clump of slender, arching leaves. But the real showstopper is the flowers. From late spring to early summer, the prairie spiderwort bursts into bloom with vibrant rose-purple to magenta flowers. These beauties have 3 delicate petals and boast bright yellow centers, creating a cheerful display in your garden. But there's more to the prairie spiderwort than meets the eye. Here are some interesting facts. Short-lived blooms. Like many spiderworts, the prairie spiderwort's flowers are short-lived. Each bloom typically lasts just one day, but new ones emerge continuously throughout the blooming season, creating a long-lasting display. Ephemeral beauty. The flowers open in the morning sun, adding a splash of color to your garden. However, as the day heats up, they close up to conserve energy. This ephemeral nature adds a touch of magic to the plant. Native allure. The prairie spiderwort is a fantastic choice for those who want to incorporate native plants into their gardens. It attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, creating a vibrant ecosystem. How to care for Tradescantia bracteata. Tradescantia bracteata is a low-maintenance plant, making it perfect for busy gardeners. Here are some simple tips to keep yours thriving. Sun or shade. This little trooper can handle both full sun and partial shade. However, it tends to produce more flowers in areas with at least a few hours of direct sunlight each day. Watering. The prairie spiderwort is drought-tolerant once established. Water regularly during the first growing season, but established plants can usually handle periods of dry weather. Soil. Well-drained soil is key. The prairie spiderwort doesn't like soggy feet, so ensure the soil allows for good drainage. Fertilizing. This isn't necessary for the prairie spiderwort. In fact, too much fertilizer can reduce flowering. Propagating your prairie spiderwort. If you want to share the beauty of the prairie spiderwort with friends or expand your garden, propagation is easy. Here are 2 methods. Division. This is the simplest method. In early spring or fall, carefully dig up the plant and divide it into smaller clumps. Replant the divisions in new locations and water them well. Stem cuttings. Take stem cuttings in late spring or early summer. Choose healthy, non-flowering stems and cut them just below a node, the bump where leaves grow. Remove the lower leaves and plant the cuttings in a pot filled with moist potting mix. Keep the soil moist and provide indirect sunlight until roots develop. Tradescantia bracteata versus Tradescantia ohiensis, Ohio spiderwort. The prairie spiderwort can sometimes be confused with its close relative, the Tradescantia ohiensis, also known as the Ohio spiderwort. Here's a quick comparison to help you tell them apart. Size. The prairie spiderwort is generally shorter, reaching only 12 to 18 inches tall, while the Ohio spiderwort can grow up to 2 to 3 feet tall. Flowers. Both have beautiful blue or violet flowers, but the prairie spiderwort tends to have a deeper rose-purple to magenta hue. Sepals. This is the key difference. The prairie spiderwort has hairy sepals, the small green leaf-like structures that hold the flower bud, while the Ohio spiderwort sepals are smooth, bringing the prairie spiderwort to your garden. The Tradescantia bracteata is a delightful addition to any garden. Its vibrant blooms, easy care, and ability to attract pollinators make it a winner. Whether you plant it in a sunny border, a butterfly garden, or a wildflower meadow, the prairie spiderwort will add a touch of charm and beauty to your outdoor space. So, why not give this lovely wildflower a try? You won't be disappointed.